everyone, so we are on our way to the Cotswolds today. We're going to go to Cotswold Lavender farm, which we're so excited about, and afterwards we'll see how much time we've got. We will hopefully explore some of the beautiful villages in the Cotswolds. Bobby's had to work today, so it's just me and the boys, so we've just pulled over just for a toilet stop and a snack. It's beautiful weather today, which is perfect for exploring the Cotswolds, for a lovely day out, hopefully to see some beautiful countryside and British country villages. We can't wait. We've been to the Cotswolds, I don't think we went last year, it was the year before. We went to Bourton-on-the-Water. There was a model village there, and we went to a motor car museum as well, didn't we, boys? It was really good, wasn't it? So it's not too far from us, it's quite direct on the motorway, about an hour and a half, so we are nearly there now. Another 20 minutes and we'll be at the Cotswold Lavender farm. We've never been to Cotswold Lavender, we've always wanted to go, so and I keep seeing these gorgeous photos of lavenders on social media. I can't wait to have a look at it and have a lovely day. Hi everyone, so we are at Cotswold Lavender and we are having a fantastic time. Just see if I can turn it round. So hi, so there's loads of places to have a picnic. They sell ice creams and drinks, and the lavender fields are really big, so it is busy. There's loads of space, obviously everyone's abiding by the social distancing, loads of pretty fields to walk around. We're having a lovely time.